Ooh, nice. Look at that. Hello everybody. Today we're going to show you how to make borax crystals.
It takes only one night to form crystals. I will show you how to make shapes with pipe cleaners.
And do this. Do this. And now you do the same thing again. You will wrap this around tightly. Now you will do this. Wrap around the flower again and make a leaf. And then you will turn the leaf once. And then you turn the stem around once. And now I have my flower.
We made flowers, butterflies, and stars. We also put shells.
Now we're putting the borax in the water. Some string on the things on the chopsticks. I'm gonna put 1 drop of food coloring. And then we'll do 1 more drop. It's been over 1 night. We're gonna see if these have turned into crystals. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Now we will let it dry. Now they are done.